not only for this project and also open to the public. We have also here, which are less than even 500 meters. We have in Orogals and also Goma Primary, where children will be walking just 3 minutes, they are there. Your Excellency, I beg, we move to the next slide. This is typologies, the layout typologies for this project. We have 8 typologies as we talk, where we have studios, in layman language, it's bed sitters. We have 1 bedroom, which are not very common. We have also 2 bedrooms, which are very common, and 3 bedrooms. For 1 bedroom, we have 1 block that will be having, for studio, we will be having 1 block, which will be having 60 units. For 1 bedroom, we'll be having 1 block, we'll be having 20 units. For 2 bedrooms, 5 blocks, which is very common and which are needed by people much more. This is, we'll be having 100 units for 2 bedrooms. And then for 3 bedrooms, we'll be having 1 block with 20 units.
I thought we avoid the blocks. I thought we said we do a mix.
We need to advertise before. Okay. 200 per constituency. Kabla to rekebisha ile when we had the meeting.
Okay.
Your Excellency, we have a total number of 200 units.
But this particular site, the next phase, we're going to do ground plus 15.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's now we're going to have the integration of the social and management.
Yes. Yes.
As you can see, these are also ground plus 4. So this is the old model.
The old model.
Yeah, this is the old model. Ground plus 4 in
Before we change.
Before we change.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Your Excellency.
Now, so the next phase will be ground plus 15.
Ground plus 15.
So how many units will fit in that?
800 units.
800.
We'll do another 800.
So we can say there will be 1,000 units.
1,000 units.
Yeah. Your Excellency, this is the final product. This is what it will be looking like. We will be having a very nice gardens, very nice parking. We will be also having a green playing places for children. This is the final product, whereby we will be having this studio and 1 bedroom will be served, 20% will be served to TPS, and then these other 2 and 3 bedrooms will also be served 2% to EHP. Your Excellency.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Very good. Thank you. So unataka leo nikusaidia wewe hii kidogo. Very good. Wapi hiyo ingine na tuweka pande hii. Hii nini yako hiyo kidogo wewe? Leta mchanga ingine.
hiyo kwanza iendelee.
Yeah, ngelete hiyo kwanza iendelee.
Sasa itaendelea naye.
Amehama naye. RIGGY, unajua kazi yako ni kusaidia mimi.
Katiba ndio nasema,
katiba ndio nasema.
Katiba ya mkono.
Katiba
inasema ni mtu wa mkono. Sasa angekuwa ameshika karai. Nasikia fungu karai.
Hii kazi ilikuwa kazi yetu. Hii ndio ilikuwa kazi yetu. Hii umetupatia tunajifunza hii.
Fundi, iko sawa?
Iko sawa.
Unaweza kuingia kwa ile list ya watu wa jioni kulipo.